Hey guys, it's your girl, Hey Planner Girl. Hey, welcome back to a new video. Today I decided, you know what, let's have a video about scrapbook paper and what to do with all of that scrapbook paper that you get in your kits. And so I'm just going to share with you some of what I do, and grab a snack, come on back, make sure you like, subscribe to this video. So these are some of my chunkies. This is my fall chunky. It's becoming really chunky. I love it. I have seasonal chunky. So here's my fall, here's my summer, and then I have favorites. So here's my Sailor Moon planner and my Disney planner. So when I get scrapbook paper, I try my best to incorporate it into my seasonal planners. Sometimes it's really hard, so here are some ideas as I flip. You can use them in your planner, like so. If there's nothing on the other end, such as a white canvas, right, you can always print using your colored printer, and then you can have your scrap paper on this side and your printable on this side. What I've also done is, if you look on Etsy, there are some awesome resources if you have a Cricut or a Silhouette that can pre-cut your happy planner pages. So that way it saves you on time and frustration, and that way your scrapbook paper is being used. So this is scrapbook paper I received, and as you can see from the babe box, all I did was cut it and then I put my little designs and things like that. Same thing here, same thing here. So scrapbook paper, just use it throughout your planner, and then before you know it, it'll be gone. Or what you can do is make cards and envelopes and decorate little things. So there's that. I'm really proud about my fall planner. Most of it is scrapbook paper. So here's my cover I made, and here is scrapbook paper. So again, just cutting it, making a dashboard, but you can also make a pocket. Is it this planner that has a pocket? Sorry guys, give me a second. It would be this one. So I made a pocket using scrapbook paper. You can get templates online, and then that way you're using your scrapbook paper to good use, so it's holding on to things. So for example, this one, I forgot it, I think it's the style planner. I ordered this. This was like $5, girl. $5 for blue foil scrapbook paper, and I wanted to use every single freaking inch of it, and I totally did. So I made this really large pocket, and inside I have a bookmark and I have some die cuts. Because what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, right? And then this is just some cardstock. So that's what I've been doing with my scrapbook paper. I've just been using it to cut things out of and to kind of block colors and things like that. So I hope that helps. And in my Disney planner, there's a better flip, but I used every single piece of paper that came in this Happy Scrappy kit, and I used it for dashboards. So like I said, if you don't have so many planners and you don't know what to use your scrapbook paper for, there's other things you can do. You can take your planner, any planner, my friends, and I feel like I'm selling soap. You can take a planner, any planner, and then you can block off parts of your planner and use it like washi tape. So for example, here was my August layout. All of up here is scrapbook paper, and down here is scrapbook paper. For September, all of this is scrapbook paper, and again, I use it sort of like washi tape. If you're really adventurous, what you can do, you can take your scrapbook paper and cut it really thin, and you can use it as washi, like this. So it's all up to you. It's on how you use it. And I hope this helps some planner friends who have a lot of scrapbook paper. I know that's one of my biggest struggles. And in the end, a lot of my scrapbook paper is just sitting in a Planner Society box waiting to be used. So my suggestion is those couple of ideas, or you can always sell it to someone who you know will get good use of it. So my friends, thanks so much for watching and stopping by to this quick video. Please make sure you like and please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye!